lot of the environmental problems that we have fundamentally come from a state of consciousness, thinking that we're separate from nature, thinking that we're above nature, when really we're made of nature, and we are nature.
What you put in your body, what you put on your body, and what you use for your medicine, it all comes from the earth. The practices that we have now are where we're losing our ground. Mother Earth is crying. And Ujamaa says we have to stop the tears from flowing.
So you guys are here for a visioning session, right? Yeah. The question is, what types of sustainable development would you like to see in the Turtle Creek watershed and airshed communities? And when we're talking about sustainable development, we're talking about environmentally sustainable development, but things that also help our communities economically. It looks like everybody was really engaged and involved. There are wonderful ideas on the maps.
So we have a lot of ideas. I should mention that some of these ideas are really big investments and some of them are really small things that you can do.
People can't care about problems if they don't even recognize them as problems to begin with. So education was a big issue for us.
I think the biggest, most important thing is reconnecting the kids with the woods, because I'm guessing a lot of us found our first inspiration to be part of this type of movement rooted back to the plants.
All organic community gardens or pollinating gardens in place of vacant lots.
Community gardens, farmer training programs. Having more locally owned and organic food available.
A sustainable approach to dealing with invasive species. Let's make products out of the knotweed. Let's cut it down instead of spraying it so that's not going in the stream.
Normalization of permaculture lawns, increase in composting everywhere.
Plant-based medicinal resource center, research center.
Rain gardens, and we talked about green roofs and white roofs. So white roofs to reduce the heat and green roofs to manage the stormwater, because we've got a big stormwater problem in this entire area, which we could all pretty much agree on.
Last but not least, the growth of the hemp industry to replace plastic.
Biodigesters rather than landfills, that way we can be harvesting electricity and energy.
A place to process plastics and recyclable material.
Re-implement separated recycling. Right now it's single stream and it's causing a lot of issues.
Carbon capturing technologies.
More worker-owned co-ops.
Very accessible apprenticeship programs for the renewable energy companies.
Explore the use of wind turbines and solar at personal homes.
Vertical turbines along the turnpike to actually generate energy from the force of the cars. Let's do park and ride and ride sharing.
Renewable energy, public transportation.
Electric rail transport.
Also reconnecting the trolley so that the communities are connected. Mr. Rogers' trolley doesn't have to be make-believe anymore.
And making more walkable surfaces and more walkable communities.
Trails and rails. We talked about a trail that potentially will connect Plum and Penn Hills to downtown.
The Westmoreland Heritage Trail, if we cleaned up the stream, it'd make it more desirable.
Replenishing the soil, the water, and the air.
Cleaning up the air by really enforcing the regulations on clean air.
Can you live without air? Can you live without water? Every living thing needs both of those to exist. And if we're not on this journey together, we're all going to lose.
We need to look into ourselves and figure out what it is that we can do to move into the regenerative future, which really is now inside of us.
If it's glamorous, you need to wear a three-piece suit every day, this is not the job for you. You know, if you want to drive that Beamer and you want 3 houses, this is not the job for you. If you want to make a difference and leave the world better than you found it, so that your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren can have something to hold on to and a place to start, then this is the work you're going to do.